How to reset Duolingo password. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Take It Simple. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can easily reset your Duolingo's password. Firstly, open your Duolingo application and this type of interface will be appeared from which you have to tap on I already have an account button. Then click on the forget password button and enter your email in order to get the reset link. After writing your email, tap on Send Email button. Press OK and the link will be sent to your email address. Open your email and tap on the email that you got from Duolingo application. Now tap on Reset Password and write a new password for the Duolingo application. Confirm your new password by writing it again and tap on Reset Password. Wait for some seconds and this type of interface will be appeared from which you have to tap on Continue Learning. And this is how easily you can reset your password in Duolingo application. Thank you for watching till the end. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative contents. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.